Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher. Today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a witch. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It does help me make more of these. Now here's more about my very favorite way to draw a witch. This tutorial is about focusing on just the stockings and boots that a witch might wear. You can get creative with them, starting with those fun curly toes. I'll walk you through drawing the basic shape, and then you can add some patches and patterns if you want. There are all kinds of possibilities. First, the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free PDF tutorial from my website. Look in the description for a link. Now before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guidelines on your paper. Just fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up. You'll have lines that match my directions, which really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Start by drawing the back side of the right boot and the flat top. Continue the line down and then up to start the curly toe. Step number 2. Now finish the curly toe and add a heel at the bottom. Step number 3. Start the left boot the same way with a back line that goes up and across for the flat top. Continue the line down to start the curly toe. Step number 4. Finish the toe and add a heel. Step number 5. Next comes the dress or shirt. I'm going to make mine look old and torn with a kind of random zigzag line across. Step number 6. Now you can draw the right leg connecting the shirt to the boot. And draw the left leg the very same way. Step number 7. I'm going to have some fun with horizontal stripes on my stockings, but you could easily make them vertical or even diamond shaped too. Step number 8. Time for some simple laces on those boots. A stack of X's will do the job really well. Lastly, a spider coming down from the top of the paper adds a bit of Halloween fun to this drawing. They're easy to draw and even easier to color in. Step number 9. Okay, it's time to trace the entire drawing with a good black marker. Work slowly and don't forget about that spider. Now before you start to color, it's a good time to take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing. We don't want them to show through the crayons later on. And my favorite part, coloring time. I'm going to start with some brown boots. I'm pressing pretty hard with my crayon to make the color dark. Next up are the stripes on the stockings. I'm making mine orange so they have some Halloween color. My stockings have an A-B pattern, orange and white, but you could do other patterns too. I've decided to make that shirt pink just because I kind of like that color. Mine is on the simple side with just one color, but feel free to add more if you want. And don't forget filling in that black spider. Now the last thing to color in is that background. I'm going to use a light blue. I really want those boots to stand out and not blend into the background. For those that would like an extra challenge, try adding a shadow to those legs. A light gray crayon colored on either side does the job really well. One other tip to know is that sometimes the marker lines get a bit hidden under the dark crayon colors. You can always trace the lines a second time to help them stand out. Well, alright then, this witch drawing is all finished. You know, if I were to draw another one, I think I'd add some patches on the clothes and maybe try having the stripes go in another direction. It's always good to try something new when you're drawing. Hey, thanks so much for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing tutorial video. I have more tutorial videos like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a haunted house and how to draw a scarecrow. I hope you check them out too.